Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 PRO to program 2010 Toyota RAV4 Smart Key.
What needs to be prepared for is K518 PRO, the OBD communication cable, acquisition of simulated antennas and LT20 Smart Key. First, plug in the OBD cable. Special features. Key settings. LT20 Smart Key. Convert Smart Key. Note that this function requires a network connection. Put our LT20 Smart Key into the card slot. Click OK. OK. Generate 4D. Select the corresponding menu according to the original car key. OK. According to the original car key, set the key button. Generate successfully. Continue to generate. No need to click cancel. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Toyota. Select from type. All smart key lost. Select before 2016. 4D. Backup EEPROM data. Click OK according to the prompts. Wait 3 minutes. Enter the file name to be backed up. OK. OK. Data backup successfully. After the backup is completed, go to Generate Emergency Key. Click Generate Emergency Key. Connect SIMU antenna. Put the top of the SIMU antenna into the card slot. Click OK. Select the EEPROM data that has just been backed up. OK. OK. Emergency key generated successfully. Turn on the ignition switch with the emergency key. Then enter Add Smart Key. Note that you need to follow the picture prompts. Click OK. Add Smart Key. Please make sure the Smart Key battery is fully charged. OK. The ignition switch is on. Click OK. OK. Follow the prompts. Within 30 sec to put back of the key to be registered close to car start button. The operation is completed and click OK. Turn off the ignition. Test whether the key can be used normally. Now let's try it. Hits the brake. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. The new key. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2010 Toyota RAV4. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.